Add 30 grams of gelatin to 150 milliliters of cold water and set aside to bloom. In 400 grams of sour cream, add 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. Melt the bloomed gelatin in the microwave in short intervals or over a double boiler. Then pour it into the mixture, stirring well. Pour half of the mixture into dessert cups and refrigerate for 15 minutes until slightly set. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the remaining mixture and mix well. Place the cocoa mixture over a double boiler to keep it from setting while waiting for the cups in the refrigerator. After 15 minutes, remove the cups from the refrigerator and pour the cocoa mixture on top, filling them to the top. Return the cups to the refrigerator for 30 minutes until fully set. After 30 minutes, remove from the refrigerator. Grate some chocolate on top for decoration and enjoy this delicious dessert. Subscribe, like, and enjoy your meal.